you doing? W6RP. I'm gonna hike up peak 8828 today, and it's actually gonna be a Parks on the Air and a Summits on the Air together, all in one shot. So it's park is Sand and Snow National Monument, K-4545, and the peak is Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 047. Got SOTA Bronco got me up, and on the road up to Fish Creek. So I came this way this time because I wanted to hike more of the PCT right there, and got about a 3.6 mile one-way hike. So it's gonna be about a 7-mile day, and yeah, enjoy the ride. So up here's, this is the Santa Ana River Trail. We just came up this way, PCT, and we're going to continue on PCT. Okay, a couple miles into the trail, and that's where we're going. Right there. PCT keeps going this way. Starts going up, you can kind of see it. Okay, spot went out. Let's see how we do. Pulled a bonehead move. I was cleaning out my kit and everything, and trying to, I don't know, I didn't realize I had 2 banana plugs in there, and I got rid of both when I still needed one. It sucked. CQ, W6RP calling CQ, Summits on the Air.
W6RP, this is N6 JNY. W6RP, KN6 JPC.
JPZ, stand by 1 second. I got an N6 JNY 5959. Go ahead.
Copy that. Yeah, I talked to you last week. I think you were up Onyx. Where are you at now?
Just west of there. There's a peak called 8828. So I'm really close to that also. And I heard that I made a YouTube video, and a guy named Brandon said that you used to work with BB. Go ahead.
Copy that. Also, you know BB as well?
Oh yeah, we do our field days together. I've been on the repeater for a while.
Oh, very cool. Were you down at East Flats last month?
Yeah, I was. Last 4 years, I actually found that spot for our group 4 years ago.
Cool, yeah, I went down to visit BB there. I hung out for like only an hour, but very cool. And yeah, after talking to you last week, I heard you talk about YouTube videos, so I checked them out. It's very, very cool. And I'm just now getting into field operations.
Nice.
Waiting for whenever this IC SOTA 5 comes out. But in the meantime, just learning about it and stuff like that.
Thank you, sir. And I got a November 0. Come back again.
November 0, Oscar, India. Lead 5J Easy.
Hey, what's up, brother? How are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, how's it up there? Must be nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. You were the last one to do this one. And on the way up, I started realizing how out of shape I really am.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go take it. Did you come from the cabins down there?
No, so this time I went up Fish Creek, up the Fish Creek Road towards there, and I met up with the PCT, and I came down that way and just pretty much took the PCT all the way here until you start hiking up to the top.
Yeah, that's the longer way. It's a nice trail, but if you go from the cabins there, it's a lot easier.
Got a WB6, come back again?
Whiskey Bravo 6, Delta India Kilo, DIK.
Oh, right on. Whiskey Bravo 6, DIK. You're 5959, go ahead.
You're 5959 down here in Palm Desert.
Get out of here, flies. You're not wanted. Go play somewhere else.
Whiskey Alpha 6, Foxtrot Sierra Juliet.
Okay, I got a Whiskey Alpha 6 Foxtrot Sierra Juliet. You're about a 4444, over.
Okay, you're like I don't know, 5'8" or so here, indoor antennas and walkie-talkie.
Oh, cool. Okay, well, it's that transmission came in a lot better. I'd give you about a 5.5 on that one, but very cool. Thanks for coming back. And what's your location?
Yucca Valley, south side.
Okay, gotcha. Close and indoors and doing all right. Well, thanks for calling me back. I appreciate that.
Yes, this is Whiskey 5, Juliet Alpha Zulu. I'm in, I guess 29 Palms. I'm in the middle of the desert.
Oh, cool. Okay, Whiskey 5 Juliet Alpha Zulu. You're a 5959 here in the San Bernardino Mountains. I'm kind of close to Big Bear. Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I started the day in Vegas, and then I'm doing a long road trip back home to Houston, and so I stopped through Amboy because I love Route 66 and 1950s kitschy stuff, and now I'm gonna kind of route through Phoenix and go I-10 all the way home. But this is actually my first time through this part of the desert, so it's I'd like to say it's super cool, but it's really hot.
Yeah, this time of year. Yeah, just keep moving. Keep the AC on, and yeah, it's hot. It's hot and it's dry, and it is what it is. It's a nice little shortcut.
Yeah, I mean, the natural beauty here is amazing. So certainly, I don't know, I don't mind that part of it. And just nice, relaxing. Actually, part of the reason I even became a ham is because some of the really remote areas around here like this, although I do have cell reception here, but like back in Amboy, I certainly didn't. But it was nice to be able to hit the Ludlow repeater and even the 29 Palms repeater. So just to know that there's some way to get out if I needed to get my message out there.
Okay, got an IJW. Come back.
This is KN6IGW. This is Jens, mobile in Palm Springs. Do you copy?
Okay, yeah, I copy you real well. I'm up on a mountaintop, kind of close to Big Bear. I want to make sure I got your call sign right. Kilo November 6, India Golf Whiskey. Come back.
Perfect. Very nice. I'm amazed I'm making the top of Big Bear. Wonderful. How's the weather up there?
Oh, it's nice. It's about 70s, mid-70s, nice little breeze. In the shade, it just feels like an air conditioner. So I'm up on a peak. I'm about 8,800 feet up in the air doing a Summits on the Air activation. Come back.
Wonderful. Well, I can see the top of Big Bear. I'm driving on a remote road in Palm Springs, and I can see the top, and I'm transmitting at 65 watts. So we've got a good connection.
Yeah, you're 5959. I'm rolling an HT with a roll-up J-pole. Got about a 3 dB gain on it, and I'm kind of on this side of the mountain range over by Onyx Peak. I'm looking down there a lot closer towards Palm Springs. Come back.
Yeah, what do you wait? Is it five? I'm new to ham, so it's 5'9" or something. But you're coming in clear. It's like you're sitting right next to me. I'll let you get back to it. It's really good talking to you. I appreciate the cue. So you have a good one. 73 KN6 IGW.
Okay, roger that. And just so you know what 59 means, being new. So 5, the first letter or the first number 5 is the clarity of the voice, and the 9 is the signal strength that's coming in. So that's what those two numbers mean.
And you say it 5 by 9 or just 5'9"?
You can say 5'9". If I was coming in to you at a half signal, I'd be a 5'5". I could be really rough voiced and have a good signal, and I could be a 3, a 3.6 or 3.7. So it's just the combination of the two.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate that little touch up on my technician's class license. Thank you so much. My name is Jens. What was yours?
So I should keep calling parks on the air now because I have the summits on the air already activated, but now I need a couple more to get the parks on the air. W6RIP calling CQ, 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 CQ. Summits on the air and parks on the air. Come back.
This is W6EJW on top of Keller Peak.
W6EJW, come back. Do you copy W6RIP?
This is W6EJW. Where are you located?
Okay, I'm up on a peak called 8828, and I'm not too far away from Onyx Peak.
I'm sitting on top of Keller Peak in the Keller Peak lookout doing a shift.
Okay, copy. It's a Kilo 6 Whiskey Victor Yankee.
Affirmative. Kilo 6 Whiskey Victor Yankee.
Okay, awesome. You're about a 5.5. Come back.
You're about a 5'5" now. I'm going with the pass.
Oh, cool. Very cool. Right on, man. Thanks for calling me up. You're my 10th contact up here. I'm on top of Peak 8828. So now I got a Summits on the air activation and a Parks on the air activation. Thank you for that.
Thank you very much, 73.
Roger, roger. 7-3. Nice. POTA and SOTA. You can't get that every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm gonna grab some food, and I don't know. I probably should have been sitting down this whole time, but whatever. It's all good. It's so nice up here.
Early November.
KI6 UCN. Do you copy? W6RIP.
Yep, I got you. I didn't hear the peak location, and there's a couple other stations out there too, so I'll stand by hoping somebody can pick you up there, man. That's pretty cool. Give me the elevation. I'd love to know the elevation there. Over.
Okay, copy that. The elevation is 8828. 8,828. 8828. 8828. Over.
Roger, sir. 8828. Wow. Well, enjoy, bro. Let me see if anybody else can pick you up from lower high deserts or any other traffic out here. But yeah, that surprises me that I'm able to even read you, with the blanket of the mountains and the topographical. Are you working vertical?
Yeah, I got the roll-up J-pole vertical up in that tree.
Oh, the old J-pole. Okay, Kevin, right on, man. Wow. 8800. You gotta love it. Catch you later. Be safe out there, but I'll be listening to 52 when I'm around. KI6UCN.
Okay, Kilo Golf 6, Uniform Sierra Sierra. Yeah, I got you. You're coming in 5959 up here.
Okay, I was getting a little worried. Was calling out, and I forgot I had a repeater encode put in there. I had to back it out. Yeah, you're sounding good down here. On the other hand, the other gentleman that you were talking to, you guys were wall to wall, both of you.
Summit to summit. Alpha Golf 6 November.
Okay, I got an Alpha Golf 6 November, summit to summit. Go ahead.
Yeah, hey, I just got up to Bald Mountain. Please copy Whiskey 6 stroke Sierra Sierra dash 285. Again, that's Whiskey 6 slash Sierra Sierra dash 285. QSL.
Okay, copy that. Sierra Sierra 285. I got it. Very good. You're about a 5555. Go ahead.
You're about a 5'3". What's the summit you're on?
Okay, copy that. It's called 8828. I'm over here in San Bernardino's. So please copy Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 047. Charlie Tango 047.
All right, thanks for that. Yeah, copy Whiskey 6 stroke Charlie Tango dash 047. And your call sign is Whiskey 6. Is it Radio India Papa?
Yep, copy that. Roger, roger. Rest in peace. Whiskey 6, rest in peace.
All right, thanks. Thanks for the summit. Yeah, I literally just got up here, so when I heard was it US, I was like, oh wow, I gotta get that guy real quick. So yeah, thank you for the summit. I'll say 73s.